What's up guys, I'm going to teach you one of the most simple strategy in forex trading. If you've never had any knowledge about forex or you're just new to trading, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to take you step by step on how you can trade this process, and you don't need any experience or any technical know-how. Everything I'm going to teach you on this video are the things you need to become profitable. So if you want to find out how, let's dive in. So guys, before we start, let me explain what this strategy is. So this strategy, we're going to use the divergence strategy and the smart money concept. We're going to use those two confluence to know when to trade the forex market. You understand? So that's just how it is basically. So first, let's understand the divergence trading strategy first. So when you want to trade the divergence, you need some couple of indicators. You need the MACD, the RSI, or the stochastic. Those are the three major ones I know, and those are like the best. So for this case, we'll be using the RSI indicator. So what you need to do is just go on your charts. If you're using TradingView on desktop, you have exact same screen like this. So you just go to indicators and you search for RSI, this Relative Strength Index. Then you click it, you have it below. So this is what you're going to see. So you will go to the settings because we want to uncheck some things. You go to the settings, then remove this RSI based MA, remove it, then click OK. So this is what we just need. We don't need the RSI MA. So let me just explain basically what a divergence is. Divergence means when the data your indicator is giving you is opposite to what your chart is showing you. That's just a divergence. Means there's plus and negative. Means there's an opposite movement in price. That's just a divergence. You get. So let me just use this example for you guys to see clearly what I'm talking about. If you can see, we had a higher high here from the chart, but on the divergence, let me highlight that for us. We can see we have the higher high, but on the divergence, what do we have? We had a higher low. You can see we had a higher low. So you can see the chart on the price chart, the price is moving up. But on the RSI, what's the price doing? The price is going down. So the RSI is telling us that this market will soon be a downtrend, that we are trending down. That's why it's going down. Simple. That's just everything about divergence. So it's vice versa too. Maybe if you see a buy trade, but I think as we proceed, we're going to do more examples on that, so you understand this concept about RSI divergence. So now let's proceed. Since we've talked about RSI divergence, so now this is where the smart money concept comes in. So what we're going to do is that after we spot the divergence, we want to see a change in character, a break in market structure. For example, you will mark the highest low points because this is an uptrend. So it's when a major low has been broken that we know that okay, this is a change of character or a break of structure. You guys understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so mark this low was broken. This would be what? A change of character. Right? So which other block was responsible for that change? Which other block? This other block was responsible for that because structure. So what do? You wait for the market to come back to tap on that zone. So the market came to tap on it here. So what do? You enter your trade here. And in this scenario, guys, I would advise you just go for your 1 to 2 weeks to reward. You understand? Because when trading divergence, it's not a trade you can hold for long. So because sometimes it might be temporary, sometimes it might be a long trend. But when it tells you there's a divergence, know that 9 out of 10 times you are going to win that trade. You understand? But where people make mistakes is that they tend to hold the trade for long. That's the mistake they do. They tend to hold it for long. No, it doesn't work. It's just showing that there's an imbalance and there's a lapses in the market, and it's up to you to take advantage. And to have a high win rate, just go for a 1 to 2 weeks reward. So we'll enter our short here. Enter our short here, then stop loss above, couple of it above that block, then target 1:2. So that's it. Smooth trade. TP smashed. You get what I'm saying? So guys, this is how the strategy works. Easy and basic, no stress, but don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. It's when you try to be greedy, that's when you have problem. And you can see, guys, I'm not sure you're picking it. This is the latest. This is the current Euro USD chart. This is on when? This is 29th of February, so just last week. So let's look for more example. And guys, if you want to trade this strategy, I advise you just go for the 1 hour. But if you want to go lower, don't go lower than the 15 minutes. Don't go lower than the 15 minutes, but you can go higher to the 4 hours daily, just depend on how. But remember, if you're trading the 4 hours daily, you know it takes more time for your trades to come to play. So that means you're swing trading, you understand? So just keep that in mind, guys. So let's take more examples. So guys, we have another example here. As you can see, there was a divergence that occurred here. So that was a bearish example. This is a bullish example. So there's a divergence that occurred here, right? Yeah, there was a divergence. So you can see there was a divergence here. If you notice, there was a divergence here. So after the divergence, what happened? We need to wait to see a break in market structure, like a change in market structure. So people can call it change of character or market structure shift, just depends on what you want to say. But the main thing is for you to understand what you're doing. So now we can see that we have a bearish trend. So but we want to see a major high being broken so that it shows us that yes, the trend has changed. So where's the major high here? This is the major high. So we want to see this high to be broken. And that high got broken, right? Got broken here. This is where the change of character happened. This is where the change of character happened. So now, after the change of character, what we are going to do is that we are going to look for that demand, that push price to take out that high, that took out this high. So what demand was responsible for this? Obviously, we can see is this one. This is demand zone responsible for that. So you mark up that zone. Then I advise you, if you guys want to maybe trade without emotion, just set your buy limit and set your stop loss and set your take profits. And I've given you guys a good risk reward. Just go for 1 to 2. Simple. So just set it and go to sleep. Then wait for the market to trigger your trade. Very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. I can advise you guys, if you can just trade this strategy on 1 or 2 pairs, guys, you're gonna be profitable. You will be profitable. You will be profitable. Let's proceed. So you enter your long here. You see the market came to tap the zone. You can see, but it took out some early buyers. If you notice, this they use that to generate liquidity in the markets. If you understand what I'm saying, so your stop loss will be below this. Then 1 to 2. Very simple, guys. 1 to 2. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Very, very easy. 1 to 2, and that's it. So let's see how it played before it played out. Yeah, it played out. That's what I told you guys. Don't hold the trade for too long. It played out, but we're still stopped out again. You see what I'm saying, guys? When you're trading this concept, don't hold the trade for too long. Just go for 1 to 2, guys. So it's a wrap for today. And if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, share this video, and turn on the bell notification so that when next I upload any video, you can see, because I'm here to make you guys profitable. I'm going to give you guys strategy that really works. You understand? I'm not here to just create videos. No, my goal is to see you guys being profitable. And if you have any question or any challenge or anything, just comment below. I'll be willing to respond and help. So see you guys next time.